Hello everyone, welcome to our puzzle story time. Peppa Pig, George's racing car. Peppa, George, Daddy Pig, and Grandpa Pig are watching racing cars on television. It's such a lovely day, you should go outside and play, Granny Pig says. Clever Grandpa Pig turns the pram into a pedal car. What's your favorite number, George? asks Daddy Pig. George replied. Daddy Pig paints a big 2 on the car's bonnet. Along come Dannie Dog, Zoe Zebra, and Petrol Ponny. Look at George's racing car, says Peppa. We will race you 3 times around the garden, George, they cry. Go, Peppa shouts. At the end of lap 2, George is in the lead. Go, George, go! snorted Peppa, Daddy Pig, and Grandpa Pig. George finally takes the lead and zooms across the finish line. Well done, George, says Peppa. You are the best racing driver in the whole world. The end. George has such a lovely toy racing car. Have you got a racing car? I think a car racing game is a lot of fun. Okay, now it's time for you to go sleep, baby. Close your eyes. I will read you more puzzle stories soon. Sweet dreams. Shh.